my channel. I am here with a brand new box, and I have been waiting a couple of days because I think something may have spilled in my box. It's got, I'm hoping that there's nothing spilled and major wrong with the box. So we're gonna open it up, but first let me tell you a few things about this wonderful box, and its curator is amazing, first and foremost. The name of this box is called Luminescent Cosmetics, and the curator's name is, oh my goodness, she's going to scream at me. Don't scream at me, Tabby. Tabitha Clancy. That is the curator's name, and she has been absolutely amazing through this whole process. She doesn't, however, know that I have been really sick and that I have just now started feeling better, but she does now know. Anyway, I do want to apologize because like I said, I have been really sick, and I didn't want to do the video sounding all froggy, kind of horribly sounding, so I wanted to wait, and I am now feeling better, and we are going to get into this box. And I'm hoping that this little mishap right here it doesn't feel wet, so it may be just an oil that spilled, which is fine. It is not a big deal. It is not a big deal. It does not have any bearing on how fabulous this box is going to be. So I have tore the tape off. I forgot which side I tore it off from. So we are going to pull back this tape from whatever side I previously tore it off of. Okay, this side. All right. And this box is, the mini crate of the month is $17. And this is a box of indie brands to fall in love with on your beauty journey. This is a beauty box. And the Glam crate of the month is $29.58 a month. And each month you'll receive a box of skin, body, and hair care goodies to try, as well as makeup goodies to experiment with. And this box is tailored to you specifically. What you do is she will send you a kind of like a beauty quiz. When she first emailed me, she sent me like this beauty quiz, and I filled it out, and she then mailed me a box. So I'm kind of curious to see what she sent me, and hopefully it is a box full of wonderfulness and beautiful goodies. So let's see what I have received. All right, I got rid of the tape, so we are going to open it, and I'll show you what it looks like when I open it up. That is what it looks like first opened. And there's a pretty card on there. And it says, "Thank you so much for your interest in the Glam crate. This month's theme," I have something very sticky on my finger. I don't know what it is. This month's theme is self-care. Your box breakdown is below. Self-care comes in many forms. And then here's a list of everything that's in my box. So I'm going to fold that over so that we can see what we have got going on. So I'm going to pull back my tissue paper. Oh, I think I see what may have gotten away from us, which is okay. It doesn't look any worse for wear in there. Looks very full of stuff in there. So first, right off the top looks to be I really have some sticky stuff on my finger. A Soul, S-O-L shadow palette from ColourPop Cosmetics. All right, let's pop this open. I'm excited for this. Ooh, I love that color. That is a very pretty color. And it does have the colors, names of the colors on the back. Let's pop this open. Oh, my box had a really rough time getting here. And oh no, it is very broken. Oh no. my, oh man, my eyeshadows are broken. Well, they're not totally broken. I'm not going to swatch these. They are very, very pretty though. I do love them, but I do not want to swatch them. I have so many eyeshadows right now that are opened and being used right now. It is driving me insane. I hate to have them opened and being used at the same time. It drives me nuts. I know I'm a crazy person. But there are the colors. And let's see here. This one is New Digs, Anthem, Dynamite, Hotel, Motel, B&B, Floaties, and that just says OOO, and Unwind. That is very cute. I do like that. Very pretty. I do like that. Very nice. I like that. I'm curious to try those colors. They seem to be a summer version, like a summer theme. You know what I mean? Like a summer theme. So I will have to get to them in the summertime. And then I have a mini handmade Korean mirror. That is pretty. I like that. I like that. There's the little butterfly at the bottom. And there's the butterfly in the front. And then there's the little handmade mirror. And there's the back. That is pretty. I like that. Very pretty. And then we have some red aspen. Where are you? I'm looking for it. Red aspen nail dashes, reusable pop-on manicure, 24 nails, dual fiber buffer, cuticle stick, and nail glue. There's those. I normally go to the salon and get my nails done, so I will be sharing these. I will probably pass them along to maybe one of my older granddaughters. They will love those. Those are cute. One of my granddaughters will love those. And then I have a headband from Just Be Co. I do love those colors in that headband. There's very pretty colors in that headband. I do like that. That is very pretty. Very nice headband. And then we have Guiltless Necessities. This is a lip balm. And this did get a little bit of whatever oil spilt or got opened. And there is the... Now see, the box did take quite a beating from the post office to get here. So when she watches the video, she can see what happened to my box. That is from the post office. The post office beat the living tar out of my box. So, but this is a lip balm, buttercream cupcake, lip balm. I like that. That smells yummy, delicious. I like that. Oh, that is definitely a favorite. I like that, yes. And then we have a Shin's Farm Bath and Body. Lavender and oatmeal, steel cut oatmeal, cocoa butter, olive oil, coconut oil, castor oil, shea butter, lavender, and essential oil relaxing fragrance. And this is a, let's see, full size. Where are you? Soap Mystery from Shin Farms Body Milk. So this is a bar soap. It smells good. And it says, oh, that got some of the oil on it too, but that's okay. It is okay. So far, so good. I do like everything that is in here. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Let's see. Let us see. And this this is from Guiltless Necessities, and it's a card where you can go on Etsy and their Facebook page and all their little shops that they have. And what are you? Harney and Sons Master Tea Blenders. And this is Japanese Sencha and Enlightening Paris teas. There's some tea samples. And then we have Moisture Recovery Treatment Balm for thick, coarse, dry hair. Oh, is this a leave-in treatment? Oh, please be a leave-in treatment. I would just love this to pieces. I think this is a leave-in treatment. Lip scrub. It does not say. It does not say. Does not say. It just says treatment balm for thick, coarse, dry hair. And that would be this, thick, coarse, dry hair. Absolutely. It's like the Sahara Desert time 22. Let's see. It does not, oh, apply to clean, damp hair. Leave in 3 to 5 minutes and rinse. I'm still going to try it though because my hair is coarse, dry, and thick. So I am curious to try that and see if that works. Oh, here is another tea, organic English breakfast tea. I do love my tea. And then we have something in a little spray bottle here. Moonlight Sugar Note Waxing Face. Okay, this is a sample of waxing gibbous facial spray. I am not going to spray this. Oh, that is very minty. It smells amazing, but it is a waxing gibbous facial spray. Shake before spritzing. I'm not exactly sure what a waxing gibbous facial spray is, but I will Google that, and I don't know what a waxing facial gibbous spray is. And then I have a sample of Moonlit Sugar Balm Lip Scrub. I'm assuming that's what this little thing is. That smells good. That does smell good. And that is a sugar scrub, sugar lip scrub. I do love sugar scrubs for my lips. Makes them nice and soft. I do like that. And then I have a jar, and this is Honeymoon Body Balm. Honeymoon Body Balm. Full-size Honeymoon Body Balm. If I can get it open. Oh, okay, thank you. That smells good. There is that open. Ooh, oh my goodness, that is very smooth, and I'm not sure. There's the consistency of it. I don't know about this. It is feels different. Oh, I don't know about that. It has like a cocoa smell to it. I don't know what that smell is. It smells kind of like a cocoa nut or a cocoa smell. I have way too much on my hands. It's like a coconut, like, I can't describe the, I don't see any ingredients in it. Like a coconut smell. Yeah, it's like a coconut smell. I can't really describe this. That's nearest I can get it. Okay, and our last thing seems to be the culprit of the spillage because it is half empty. So this would be the, I'm assuming, is this body polish? I'm not sure because it's not marked. So I'm not really sure if this is body polish. It looks to be some kind of scrub. Yeah, it looks to be some kind of scrub. It smells really good. but it doesn't say, it doesn't really say what it is, but it smells really good. I don't know what it is though, but it smells good. It looks to be like some kind of sugar scrub, because the other was a lip scrub, sample of the lips, a sample of the lip scrub. So I'm not entirely sure. And this one says body balm. So this one has to be, this one can't be body polish, because I wouldn't put this on as a body polish. That would be, that would hurt. If this was a body polish, that would hurt. I'm not entirely sure. But anyway, that is it for my unboxing. I'm a little sad that my box got crushed. I think if the United States Postal Service wasn't so rough with my box from Luminescent Cosmetics, it would not have gotten crushed and damaged in the shipment. So I don't believe that it was Luminescent Cosmetics that, I don't believe it was their fault at all by any means. I believe that it was the United States Postal Service that did this and made a mess of my box. So by any means, I would not judge the unboxing or the Luminescent Cosmetics subscription box by this unboxing by any means, because it is totally well worth the $28 a month for this box, for you to get this delivered to your home every month. So if you would like to get your own Luminescence cosmetic box delivered to your home every month, I will leave the link down below, and you can click on it and head on over to Cratejoy and get your own box put right on your steps, and you can run right out the door and grab it and take it in your house and unbox it. And you can enjoy it as much as I have enjoyed my box. And I hope that you're having a wonderful day, and I hope that if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, I hope that you will hit the subscribe button, and I hope that you hit the thumbs up button, and I'll see you in my next video real soon. Bye now.